Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet for K5. All right, we are going to work on the letter T. This is page 23 and 24. The letter T is the capital T is going to be in the top. From the top line to the bottom line, the upstairs and the downstairs with the push across on the top line. All right, pull down, push across. The lowercase is like a cross that Jesus died on. It starts in the middle of the upstairs. Pull down, push across the dotted line. All right, ready? Pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across. Good. And remember, the letter T says t, t. All right. The letter E, the capital E, is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs with a push across these three lines. So let's try that. Pull down, push across, push across, push across. All right, lowercase e is a push across, up and around. All right, the capital E, pull down, push across, push across, push across, push across, up and around. Pull down, push across, push across, push across, push across, up and around. All right, and let's trace the letter T's down here. Push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across. Good. Let's flip over on the back. All right, this is the capital letter A. The capital A's are going to be two slant lines that touch at the top. It's in the upstairs and the downstairs with a push across the dotted line. Slant, slant, push across. Lowercase is a ball, push up, pull down. O is a big ball. Lowercase o is a little ball. All right, slant, slant, push across. A ball, push up, pull down. A ball and a ball. Good. All right, capital T, pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Lowercase t, pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Good job, guys. All right, this says find the letters on the flowers and trace them. Oh, I see the letter A here, which is a ball, push up, pull down. T is a pull down with a push across. O is a ball. T is a pull down with a push across. A ball, push up, pull down. T, pull down with a push across. All right, sweet friend, let's look at our next seat work page. This is, I'm going to look at the back page real quick. Letters and sounds, page 17 and 18. Number 1 says, fill in the circle under the picture whose name begins with the same sound as the first. So here we have a picture of a bell. Bell. I hear the b sound at the beginning. So here we have a wagon, ball, and truck. So which one starts with the b sound? Good, the ball. All right, here we have an oil lamp. Oil lamp. Which one's going to start with the same beginning sound of oil? We have a jack in the box. We have a kite, or oil letters. Good, letters. All right. Next, we have a necklace. Necklace. So I hear the sound. All right. Let's look at the different pictures and let's say the beginning sounds. We have a notebook. We have a book, and we have a newspaper. Oh, okay. So there may be two in this one. I heard this one and this one. All right. Next, number 2 at the bottom says, circle the blend that makes the beginning sound you hear. This is a ticket. Ticket. This is the blend b, or t. Which one would represent ticket? Good, this one. All right, next we have a ladder. We have the blend ta, or la. Good, la for ladder. Next we have a bell. So which one would represent bell? Be, or me? Be. Good. Next we have a stick of butter. So let's circle the one that would represent this picture. Ba, or ba. Ba. Good. Flip over on the back. This says, circle the beginning sound you hear in each word. All right, this is a picture of a tomato. T, t, tomato. Which letter says t, t? Good. T, that one right there. All right, this is a b, banana. B, banana. Which one says b, b? This one. Good. This is a nurse. Nurse. Which letter says n? Good. This number 2 says circle the vowel you hear in each word. This is an octopus. Octopus. Which letter says ah? Ah. Good. This is an astronaut. Astronaut. Which letter says ah? Ah. Good. This is an egg. Egg. Which letter says eh? Eh. Good. All right, this one says, number 3 says, circle the blend that makes the beginning sound you hear. This is a log. So let's look for the blend. La, or la. Right, la for log. This is a picture of a lamp. La, or li. Good, la for lamp. This is a letter. Le, or li. Good, le for letter. If it was the li blend, it would be litter. And that's not what this is. This is a letter. All right, this is a lemon. Oh, it took me a minute to figure out what that was. A lemon. La, or le. Le for lemon. Good. All right, friends. I hope that this helps you.